Taurus, this is Ciao with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle deck. This is the particular oracle deck right here. With respect to your love life, we do have this Mystic Moon oracle cards. Besides, I'm also being asked to use Lenormand for one message. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Taurus. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the Three of Pentacles. It's quite likely in this time there was minor gains for you, though there was also hard work in store. Besides, I think a collaborative approach would have benefited you a great deal. Interestingly, I think many Taurans you were also contemplating about polishing your skills, or maybe you wanted to enhance your skill sets in this period. Interestingly, some of you may also have been a bit distressed on account of bias that was existing within the home front, or maybe even at the workplace. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Seven of Pentacles. It's quite likely in this time you will be planning about the future. Maybe you would also want to invest in gadgets. Perhaps your gadgets could play up. I think financial issues could be a concern here. Influences for this month, we have the Seven of Swords. Taurans, you will definitely benefit if you were polite and tactful in relationships. This will definitely ensure harmony. It's also likely that you could end up losing your cool because you have the Swords energy, so maybe you need to weigh your words carefully. Sometimes, you may also feel that your good intentions are never acknowledged, rather they're always misinterpreted. That is why I think you could be a bit detached or aloof as well. Basically, you think that you get the wrong end of the stick. I think sometimes, lack of money or opportunities may not be there. That is why this could also affect your relationship. Interestingly, this month I'm also picking up that many of you could also be concerned about the health of a loved one. Perhaps you're also dealing with someone who's quite sneaky and deceptive, so maybe you should try to understand whether the person is being honest with you or not. Still, I think the energy flow is such that you are being called upon to capitalize. Maybe you should complete your tasks one after the other. I think you can also expect new clients this month. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Knight of Cups. I think you should not get embroiled in unnecessary arguments. Again, Taurans, you should also not assume too much, as this could lead to emotions running high, or maybe it could also turn out to be a very tense period for you if you presume too much. Like I said, you could also be dealing with bias, so maybe sometimes you may feel as though you have to assert yourself, or that you have to surrender to the whims and fancies of loved ones. Basically, I think you want to stand your ground, or you want to stay firm. I think you could also be a bit perturbed because your intentions are misinterpreted. Even though you're doing a good turn, you need to clarify and you need to put forth your point of view. Work-wise, I think this could turn out to be a very hectic period. Maybe you could be overworked. What's most distressing for you, Taurus, is that there could be a colleague who's always complaining instead of getting on with the task. Ideally, I think, Taurans, in this time, you should keep your ego aside. Basically, Taurans, you're somebody who wants to work in a systematic fashion. You want system and order. But sometimes, your colleagues could complain that you're egoistical, or that you show no urgency. Maybe you need to focus on promoting yourself or communicating with your clients. Between 1st to 10th August, you could also be dealing with clients who want more out of you all the time. Perhaps they are not paying you well enough. In case you are at the helm of affairs, or in case you are in the leadership position, Taurus, you may find yourself dealing with prying eyes. Maybe you feel that there are workers who report against you. Or maybe you think that there are workers who are keeping your rivals informed about the goings on in the workplace, in your department especially. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Four of Pentacles. I think money issues could crop up. Maybe you feel that resources are not available to you, or perhaps expenses are going to mount in this period. Besides, I think you're also dealing with tension on the home front. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be issues with the father figure, or maybe with your dad. Interestingly, this is also the time when you can expect outstation offers, but then they may not excite you. Perhaps the payment or the wages or the remuneration is not good enough for you to take up such an offer. Interestingly, those of you who are creatively inclined, I think you could be a bit distressed because your creative ideas could find no takers. Perhaps you have to approach other agents. Taurus, you should also be careful because somebody could steal your ideas and take credit for the same. Nevertheless, in this period, you can expect gains through communication. Some of you could also be dealing with bookkeeping work, or you will be looking into accounts and wages. Maybe banking work would also keep you preoccupied in this time. Towards the final days of August, that is towards 21st to 31st August, we have the Ace of Cups. Again, relationship is the key here. You have to focus on your relationship. You need to work around them. Maybe you should set aside your ego. Sometimes, financial issues or money issues could create discord this month. Ideally, I think Taurus, you should take a back seat. You should hold your tongue rather than spoil your chances at work as well. Maybe you're divulging too much and this could lead to your undoing. This is also the time when you need to have a very flexible approach because your schedule could go for a toss or it could be disrupted. Maybe there could also be cancellation of your plans. Maybe you have a particular schedule drawn up, but then you have to do with the delays. Incidentally, in this period, Taurus, you can also expect cancellation of your plans. This is why you feel that work is piling up. Nevertheless, there'll be excess work. I think you should also be careful while working because there could be errors. Those of you who are the captain of the ship, I think you could have to deal with workers who are not systematic, like I said. Maybe this person is also incompetent. That is why you are going to give them a piece of your mind. Even on the home front, repairs could be underway. Maybe you need to call in the plumber. For some of you, I'm also picking up that religion and spirituality could also keep you busy. Taurus, you will also benefit if you do some spiritual practice, or maybe you need to do some aura cleansing as well. With respect to your love life, we have this card barrier. I think there are some obstacles in the path which you need to maneuver this month. Possibly, you have to unlock this door to get ahead in your connection. Nevertheless, I think single Taurus, you can expect attention from the opposite sex. Even work colleagues could make a pass at you, but maybe you don't realize the same. I think someone is definitely madly in love with you this month. Maybe there's also true love on the horizon, but maybe you shouldn't string anyone along if you're disinterested. Incidentally, there could also be people who could be playing Cupid this month. Maybe there's a pushy relative who wants you to get hitched or who wants you to settle down. Taurus, you may also find the idea of settling down very scary. Maybe you want to stay unattached or you want to stay single. I think this is some kind of a barrier here. Maybe you're dealing with commitment phobia. So these barriers are something which you need to work around. This month, many of you could also come across a former admirer. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. At times, you feel that the two of you are telepathically connected to each other. Maybe you have the same thoughts. There's some kind of synchronicity that you're dealing with. In case yours is an unacknowledged relationship, I think you want this person to open the door to your heart. The truth is that you do feel that both of you are very connected at the soul level. Those of you who are in on again, off again relationship, maybe desiring to communicate with this person, maybe you want to renew contact and you need to overcome this barrier as well, but then you will stop short. Sometimes, you feel that this person is destined to be your partner for life, but then these are delays and hiccups that you need to deal with this month. Another thing, Taurus, like I said, black energy could also affect your relationship, so you need to do aura cleansing with respect to your love life as well. Romancing Taurus, I think you need to take the relationship forward. So you need not come across as someone who is too analytical. Sometimes, your lover may say that you're not being honest with respect to your feelings. Taurus, there could also be those times when you want to be all by yourself. Maybe that is why this person feels that you fear commitment. Nevertheless, for many of you, I'm also picking up that there could be dinner dates. I think your person is also somebody who's going to surprise you, or even you could do the same for him. Married Taurans, I think you'll be concerned about the biological home. That is why your spouse could bring it up. Maybe he has an issue here. Perhaps he wants you to show as much concern for your marital home as well. I think sometimes you could be dealing with a partner who's quite dominating. Incidentally, I think your spouse is also somebody who's going to help you out. He is definitely going to come to your aid. In all likelihood, Taurans, you could also be dealing with an unwell partner. So maybe you are being called upon to be the caregiver. In case you're also in an unhappy connection, I think you needn't put up with abuse of any kind. Sometimes there could be an angry exchange with your partner. So this could make you a bit emotional as well. I think there's no point living in denial if you think that this relationship is done and dusted, because we do have barrier. I think you need to close the door to such a relationship. Suspicion could also affect your relationship this month. From Lenormand, we do have this card Moon. Like I said, your fluctuating emotions could play havoc in your relationships. So ideally, you should not let your poise desert you. Nevertheless, I think Taurans, you're quite empathetic. You're also somebody who's quite gifted and has psychic abilities. I think you should follow your intuition. Maybe you could also have those prophetic dreams this month. Sometimes, you could also be a bit confused with respect to a decision that you need to make. So, ideally, I think Taurans, you should follow your inner voice. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have this card Healing from the Past. Perhaps there's some past life issue that you're dealing with, or maybe there are some recurring patterns in your life which you need to do away with because it's not helping your cause. I think you should face these issues. Taurans, you should also forgive the person who has been hurtful or who has harmed you in any way. Maybe you should do some healing work with respect to forgiveness. Basically, I think we all have a cross to bear. I think you should share your problems with somebody who is your confidant. Besides, I think forgiveness definitely will lighten your soul. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have other pick a card readings lined up. Have a look at them as well to get greater insight into your life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.